Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through a complete review of Perplexity and explain why so many people are starting to use it instead of traditional search engines. Perplexity is basically an AI-powered answer engine that combines web search with conversational AI, allowing users to ask questions in natural language and receive direct answers with linked sources. Instead of scrolling through multiple websites to find information, Perplexity tries to summarize everything into one clean response that is easier and faster to understand. One of the biggest strengths of Perplexity is its simplicity. The interface is extremely minimal and distraction-free, which makes the experience feel much cleaner than a normal search engine filled with ads and sponsored results. You simply type a question exactly the way you would ask another person, and the platform generates an organized answer within seconds. It also includes source citations below responses, so you can quickly verify where the information came from, instead of blindly trusting AI-generated text. Another impressive feature is how well Perplexity handles follow-up questions. You can continue a conversation without repeating the full context every time, which makes research feel much more natural. This is especially useful for students, writers, researchers, programmers, and professionals who regularly need detailed explanations or quick summaries from multiple online sources. The AI can also simplify difficult topics, compare products, summarize articles, and even help brainstorm ideas in a much more interactive way than traditional search. Perplexity also supports different AI models depending on the subscription plan, which gives advanced users more flexibility for deeper research and reasoning tasks. The Pro version includes access to stronger models and more advanced search capabilities, making it useful for people who rely heavily on AI tools for daily productivity. Another thing many users appreciate is the speed. Responses are usually generated very quickly, even when handling longer or more complex questions. However, there are still a few limitations. Since Perplexity depends heavily on AI-generated summaries, answers are not always perfect or fully accurate. Sometimes the platform can oversimplify information or misunderstand the user's intent, especially for highly technical or niche topics. Like other AI tools, it is still important to double-check important facts using trusted sources. The free version is useful, but some advanced features are locked behind the paid subscription. So, Perplexity is one of the most useful AI search tools currently available because it combines fast answers, source citations, conversational search, and a clean user experience into one platform. It saves time, reduces information overload, and makes online research feel much more efficient. If you want a smarter alternative to traditional search engines and enjoy AI-powered productivity tools, Perplexity is definitely worth trying for both casual use and professional research tasks every single day online. Subscribe the channel for more videos.